The salt-laden air whipped around the car as we drove along the great ocean road, the endless expanse of the Southern Ocean a shimmering blue to our left. Our destination, the ocean house, promised a refuge, a protective embrace against the very elements that shaped this dramatic coastline. As we rounded the final bend, the house emerged from the rugged landscape, a striking blend of robust concrete and airy timber, seemingly carved from the earth and then reaching out towards the horizon. It stood as an anchor, its lower levels, hewn from concrete masonry, firmly rooted, while the upper stories of timber and glass appeared to float effortlessly, a ship poised to sail into the vast blue. Stepping inside, the transition was immediate and profound. The raw power of the coast, so palpable just moments before, receded, replaced by a sense of calm and elegant stillness. Rob Mills' architecture and interiors had masterfully crafted a series of distinct experiences within its walls. Sunlight streamed through expansive glazing, illuminating the natural palette of concrete and timber, allowing the surrounding eucalyptus trees to subtly infuse the interiors with their muted greens and grays. It wasn't just a house, it was a living canvas where the focus was perpetually drawn to the uninterrupted views, the ever-changing tapestry of the ocean and sky. The clever design allowed for both grand gatherings and intimate escapes, with sections of the house able to expand or contract, adapting seamlessly to the needs of its occupants. As we explored, subtle nods to maritime design unfolded, rounded windows reminiscent of portholes framed the vast ocean, and angled balustrades evoked the railings of a ship. It felt as if we were on a luxury vessel, perpetually sailing yet firmly anchored to the land. The balance between the weighted lower levels and the lighter, expansive upper reaches created a visual harmony, echoing the way a sturdy ship can ride the waves with grace. Even the materials, chosen for their resilience against the unforgiving coastal conditions, were designed to embrace the passage of time, allowing the sea and wind to etch their stories onto the surfaces, creating a unique patina that would only enhance its beauty. Perched atop the structure, the rooftop terrace offered a truly sublime experience. Slightly submerged within protective walls, it provided a shielded haven from the persistent coastal winds, allowing us to bask in the grandeur of the surroundings without being overwhelmed. From this elevated vantage point, the ocean house truly revealed itself as a unique ocean refuge, a testament to thoughtful design and a deep understanding of its environment. It was more than just a holiday home. It was a sanctuary, a place where the wild beauty of the great ocean road could be experienced in the most elevated and tranquil way imaginable.